Right, I've come to me Auntie Rosie's now to see what they've done. Look what they've done here. Right? And the only thing what they've done, why didn't they just go in there? Jump through there, go in there, and then you wouldn't have to do that. Do you know what I mean? But that is not the issue. See this cupboard here? See that? She's got a family heirlooms in that cupboard. And now, how are we supposed to get it? Do you know what I mean? So, I'm gonna have to smash this up. I'm gonna have to smash it out because I need to get into this cupboard, and some clown has gone straight across. Instead of opening the cupboard first and taking out whatever's in there, they've gone across and blocked it in. Do you know what I mean? Can anybody tell me why? These people are supposed to be corgi registered. I'd hate to think out the past. Do you know what I mean? When they can't even open a cupboard to have a look to see if there's oil in it before they actually just run some pipes across it. Do you know what I mean? Instead of running them above. Look at that gap there. He could have got it above that. And that cupboard is still open, wasn't it? It's just shocking. It's shocking. I don't know how to get away with it. I don't.